Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have got some exciting news from Microsoft that's going to make managing Windows Update easier and less disruptive for enterprise. Let's dive into it. So Microsoft just announced the Windows Hot Patching, a feature that allows you to install security update without restarting your devices. Is now available in public preview for your Windows 11 Enterprise 24H2 client devices. This is a game changer for organizations that wants to reduce the downtime and keep their devices secure and productive without constant interruption from the restart. Now let's talk about what is Windows hot patching. For those unfamiliar, hot patching is a way to apply critical security updates without the need to reboot your system. It has been available for Windows Server 22, Data Center, Azure Edition since February 2022 and more recently in public preview for Windows Server 2025 since September 2024. And now Microsoft is bringing this amazing technology to Windows 11 enterprise devices, and it's designed to simplify updates management while keeping your ecosystem safe. Now let's talk about how does hot patching works. Here is the quick breakdown of how it works over the course of a year. In the first month of each quarter, which is January, April, July, and October, devices install the standard monthly security update. This includes all the latest security fixes, new features, and enhancements. And yes, it does require a reboot. In the next 2 months, Microsoft delivers hot patch updates. These updates focus only on the security patches and do not require a restart. This cycle repeats every quarter. So instead of 12 reboots a year, a device will now only restart 4 times a year and take thanks to 8 hot patch update in between. This keeps your device secure and productive while significantly reducing interruptions for your users. Now let's talk about why hot patching is important. So hot patching addresses one of the biggest pain point of IT admins and end user restart. No one likes seeing a restart required prompt in the middle of their work. With the new update process, your device stays secure with the latest patches. There are fewer interruptions for your users, and IT admin spend less time managing reboots and disruptions. This means better productivity and happier users across your organization. Now let's quickly check how to enable the auto patch. So if you are eligible, enabling auto patch is very simple. We have to use Microsoft Intune or Windows Auto Patch to enable the hot patch. We have to create a Windows quality update policy, and this policy will automatically detect if your device are eligible for hot patching, and you can also opt in or opt out device for automatic hot patch deployment. It's that easy. For devices that do not support hot patching like Windows 10 or other versions of Windows 11, they will continue receiving the regular monthly security updates. Now let's talk about what are the requirements of hot patch. To use the hot patch in public preview, your organization need to meet these requirements. Very first is a subscription like Windows Enterprise E35, Microsoft 365 A35 or Windows 365 Enterprise. A device running with Windows 11 version 24H2 with build number 26100.2033 or later. Microsoft Intune for managing the policies and the deployment. If your organization meets these requirements, you are ready to start using hot patching. For organization and IT admins, this new feature is a huge step forward in simplifying the Windows update process. It reduces downtime, ensuring devices are always secure and makes life easier for IT admins. Let me know in the comments, do you think hot patching will help your organization? Are you excited to try it out? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates like this.